Hi everyone, this is Len Maths with me, ordering decimals. So we have these questions, order these numbers from the smallest to the largest. We can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sets of numbers, and they all have the units 4 and they have decimals. But it's a bit tricky because of the length of the numbers. The first number we have 4.005. The next one is 4.101. The third one is 4.11. The fourth one is 4.011. The fifth one is 4.2 and 4.02. Now we can see that the numbers don't all have the same length. We have some that have 3 digits after the decimal point. We have some with just 2 digits after the decimal point, and then we have one that has just 1 digit after the decimal point. So in order for us to be able to order this accurately, we'll try and make all the numbers to have the same length. So the ones that have 2 digits after the decimal point, we add a zero to it to make it 3 digits. And then the one that has just 1 digit after the decimal point, we add two zeros to it to make it 3 digits. So basically, we just want to make all the numbers to have the same length. So we'll be able to order it easily. Now we have done that here. We have 4.005, 4.101, 4.110, 4.011, 4.200, and 4.020. So we can go ahead and order this. We can see that they all have the units 4. So looking at it, it's easier to order now. So the 4.005 will be the smallest. We go ahead and write it in the first box below there, followed by the 4.011, and then the next number will be 4.020. Then the next one is 101, 4.101. The next one is 4.110, and then the largest happens to be 4.200. So we've been able to arrange these numbers from the smallest to the largest. Let's take a look at another question. It says that we should arrange in order from the smallest to the largest. We have 6 sets of numbers, but they have different lengths. So we try to make all of them to be of equal length. The one that has 1 digit after the decimal point, we add a zero to it to make everything to have 2 digits. So when we do that, we have something like this: 6.55, 6.30, 6.23, 6.05, 6.20, and 6.45. Now, because they all have the unit 6, so it's easy to order them, it's easy to arrange them. Taking a look at it, we can see that the 6.05 will be the smallest, and then followed by the 6.20, followed by the 6.23, followed by the 6.30, followed by the 6.45, and then finally the 6.55. So we've been able to order these numbers from the smallest to the largest. So now we have another question that says that we should arrange in order from the largest to the smallest. Now it's typically the same thing. Just try and make all the numbers to be of equal length, so you'll be able to order it. Now, because these numbers have the same units, they are all 8.8.8 point. They all have the same unit 8. We are just looking at the numbers after the decimal point, and we're using that to order them. So if we make them to be of equal length, so we have the 8.5 to be written as 8.50, and then the 8.4 will be written as 8.40. So we'll be able to look at it and order it easily. So the largest in this case will be 8.50, and the next will be 8.43, followed by 8.40, and then we have 8.34, 8.22, and 8.05. So that is how we order our decimals. We simply try to make them of equal lengths, and it will be a lot easier to order. So if you've got any questions, please feel free to drop it for me in the comments. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.